Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App Afterpay on Amazon. First, open your Afterpay app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look for the shop or store directory. Use the search bar and type in Amazon. When you see Amazon in the results, tap on it to continue. Now the app will open a built-in browser. This is where you can shop directly on Amazon through Afterpay. Go ahead and log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Take your time here and make sure everything loads correctly. Next, start browsing and add the items you want to your cart. Once you are done shopping, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, carefully look at your total amount. This total should include taxes and shipping. It is very important to note the exact amount. Now when you reach the payment section on Amazon, choose the option to add a credit or debit card. Do not enter your card details yet. Go back to the Afterpay app screen. At the bottom, you should see a Pay Later or Buy Now, Pay Later option appear. Tap on it. You will now be asked to enter the total purchase amount you noted earlier. Enter the exact amount and continue. After that, you will see your installment plan. Review the payment schedule carefully. Then tap Confirm. Once approved, use the provided payment details to complete your purchase on Amazon. That is how you use Cash App Afterpay on Amazon. Thanks for watching.